Diamond Divas, I have another unwrapping for you. This one is, I believe it's from Colorful DIY. Colorful DIY. Colorful DIY, I believe. I saw this journal, and I've got enough journals, I know. I love to do them. Maybe I thought this was beautiful with the blues, and if it turns out really well, I'll see if they sell at the craft show. They didn't last year, so I only got one this year. So, if you're looking for one that's already finished, I have several that are in, excuse me, like journaling kits that I put together on my Etsy shop. They have lots of stickers with it. They have all kinds of things, all kinds of goodies, alphas and tip sheets and that kind of thing for journaling. And these are, I believe they are blank pages. They're the sketchbook kind. There's no zipper on here, so if I open it up it won't close again, so I'm going to leave it closed. Sorry for the glare, but it looks pretty. It's blue and like a rusty red color. This, let's see. Ooh. Oh, I know what this one is. This one is all those rocks. The mandala rocks. It's going to be beautiful when it's done. Let me see. Yeah. This one was $6.49. It's 30 by 40. Colorful DIY. Yep. It, again, the dark colors are going to be very hard to do. I'm going to need a magnifying glass plus some for that. Looks like there's many different drills. There's 24 colors. Okay. It's going to be beautiful. I know it will be. See, I'm into the colorful. I don't mind challenges as long as they're going to stay colorful. And I'm going to roll this way, gently. And attempt to put it back in this little case here. If not, oh, come on, you. You know, you can't unring a bell. If you take it out, you've got to put it back in. You can't unring that bell. Right? Alright. Let's see what this one is. Two more from Colorful DIY. Yes. This is like a Tibetan mandala. Can you see? Isn't that beautiful? Tibetan mandala. With the kit. And this is all bling. Rhinestones. And cabochons. And marquise. And ABs. AB means Aurora Borealis, and that's the colorful shine. An extra shine that gets put on. This one was $5.99. Yep. I ordered these the 24th of June. And they got here in less than a month. Nice. And this one should be, oh, there's the notebook. And this is mandala on pink. It's also $5.99, 30 by 30. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, try to match that color on the back of it. For this, it comes with a plastic tweezer, and it's beautiful, like rainbow colors of rhinestones in there. Looking forward to that one too. These are definitely, you know, like one night crafts. They only take a night to do. I hear you asking, the same thing my mom likes to ask me, is what are you going to do with all these? Well, if they don't sell, and hey, let's be realistic, the economy is not the best, so things aren't selling at craft markets like they used to. I'm still going to attempt to do that. Some, I just like to do it for the relaxation. For the relaxation of it all. And I really need to do that to calm the thoughts we all have from time to time. I only have 2 in this one this time. And again, when I figure out where I ordered them from, I will be glad to link that down below. This is another cactus scene. It is a 30 by 40. And you know, most kits, a lot of kits they look muddy when they're at 30 by 40 or smaller. This one, I like it the way it looks in the viewfinder. So I think I'm going to like the way it looks from across the room. It's a regular round kit with regular round drills. Not to say I can't bling it up here and there. But, yeah. Isn't it beautiful? Typical kit with the baggies. Okay. For my cacti room. Okay, this is a small one. It's a 30 by 30. It's also a cactus. I guess I was thinking of Arizona before I left. And this is Colorful DIY. More Colorful DIY. That's where that's from. Guess they didn't put them all in the one bag. The drills are shiny. They're round. The cacti aren't that shiny of an object anyway, so let's see. Okay, that's good for Colorful DIY. Thank you for joining me for another unwrapping. There'll be in more soon. All right, bye.